In this video, we're going to walk through how to make PEX or PERT crimp and clamp connections. SharkBite is the leader in complete solutions for improving plumbing efficiency and getting the job done. SharkBite barb fittings provide an efficient and reliable connection for plumbing and radiant heating applications. The range of barb fittings are available in both lead-free brass and polymer construction and can connect to PEX or PERT pipe. Both fitting options can be connected with either copper crimp rings or stainless steel clamp rings. Before starting your job, ensure your tools are calibrated correctly. SharkBite tool calibration instructions can be found on sharkbite.com. To get started, cut the pipe cleanly and squarely, make sure it is free of scratches and debris. Slide the crimp or clamp ring onto the pipe. Then insert the fitting into the pipe until it reaches the fitting shoulder. Now position the crimp or clamp rings 1/8 inch or 1/4 inch from the fitting shoulder. This will ensure the ring is positioned directly over the barbs of the fitting. If using the crimp ring, position the open jaws of the crimp tool over the center of the crimp ring. Keep the tool at a 90-degree angle to the fitting and close the handles completely. Then verify the connection with the go, no-go gauge. The go side of the gauge should tightly slide over the crimp ring connection, and the no-go should not slide over the connection at all. If the connection fails the test, cut the pipe as close to the end of the fitting as possible to minimize pipe loss. If you wish to save the fitting, you can use the crimp ring removal tool by cutting on at least 2 opposing sides of the ring and removing the ring. Ensure your crimp tool is properly calibrated and begin the connection process again. If using a clamp ring, position the open jaws of the clamp tool over the raised ear of the clamp ring and squeeze until completely compressed. The tool will not release until the clamp is fully closed. To ensure proper installation, visually inspect the clamp for correct closed ear form. Using SharkBite is fast, efficient, and reliable.